Alright, what is going on, guys? Today I'm here with a new video, and in today's video we are going to be doing dares with, guess what? The only thing that's trending right now. I mean, who doesn't love trends? I mean, you get views out of it, you get everything out of it. So, I mean, why not do it? So I commented or posted on Instagram for you guys to give me dares, and I mean, I'm gonna do your dares. I mean, there's not much more to it. So I'm gonna be picking the best ones, and no, I'm not gonna break my fidget spinner. I already saw that one. It's not happening. I bought this. Nope, I don't want to break it because I actually want to use it. All right, chill out. So let's get right into the video. Try to toss it from one hand to another while it's spinning. So like you spin it and then you're like, oh, nope, not happening. Maybe, yo! I don't know how many that was, but completed. Dare 1 equals success. Balance it on your thumb. All right. Is that good? Just about dropped it. Oh, by the way, this mark, don't even ask about it. I got pushed into a cabinet today, all right? It's weird, I know. Balance it on your nose while it's spinning. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh! We're gonna try it again. Okay, that's not working. I got it for a second, but it's not working. See how long you can spin it for. All right, here we go. We're gonna start the timer. Okay. Stopwatch. All right, ready? I'm gonna get it spinning. Start. Two minutes, 4 seconds. That's a world record. I'm just kidding. That's probably the worst I've ever seen a fidget spinner spin for. I'm really ashamed. Say hi, Brennan.
Hi.
His link's gonna be down in the description, by the way.
Wait, tell him what happened.
No, you tell him.
I've gotten 13,000 views in a day. It's still growing.
It's insane.
Spin it as fast as you can and hit yourself in the eye.
In the eye?
Yeah, I did it.
Ow! Ow! That's supposed to do something?
Yeah. It hurts.
It didn't hurt at all. Alright, I got asked to spin it on every finger. On every finger, so like my thumb and all the rest of my other fingers. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Okay, we got that one down. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay, we got that one. Okay, one last one. Oh my gosh, it keeps falling. Come on. Alright, that's good enough. I did it. Completion A+. I'm gonna do 2 more and then it's gonna be over. Brennan told me to try to flip it like, and then flip it and like land it like that, but I tried it. It doesn't flip, but I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, that kind of flipped. Oh! I'm over that. Too dang hard. Somebody said to try to balance it on my elbow. We're gonna do that. Oh. Oh. I need to spin it faster. It's not fast enough. That wasn't much better, but it's a little bit faster. Whoa. Dang it. Oh. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Boom! I think I completed all but one. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe down below. If you guys want to buy a fidget spinner, I highly recommend it. They're so much fun. I'll leave a link to one down in the description. Hopefully I can do more videos with fidget spinners because I really enjoy them. And hopefully you guys enjoy them. So yeah, subscribe if you're new. I'm sorry for not posting yesterday, but I made it up on posting today. Happy Easter. I know it's a weird day to post, but you know, I was kind of feeling like filming and uploading, so I just wanted to do it. So I did it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next video.